My name is William Serna. The course that I'm doing right now is Digital Creative Media Producer, Level 2. I choose Digital Creative Media because I used to work as a social media manager in Spain before, and also before arriving to Spain, I was studying journalism in Venezuela. Those experiences that I have before matches perfectly with this course. My mom and I did a research about the colleges that were near of this area, and we found this one, and I thought that or fit perfectly with my requirements about how to develop my skills and stuff. We're doing a lot of things like filming, photography, scripts, like movie scripts. Here they have like a lot of advanced equipment. When we arrive to that stage, we will already know how to use those equipments perfectly. I think that here is the best place to study and just to improve all your skills and creativity.